Hello students, very warm welcome back in this channel. Today's topic types of binary tree. Okay, so there are four types of binary tree. The first one is strictly binary tree. Second one complete binary tree. Third one almost complete binary tree, and the fourth one binary search tree. So now let us start and try to understand one by one about each detail in detail. Okay. So the first one is what strictly binary tree. अगर strictly binary tree की बात करते हैं, the first one is strictly binary tree. Okay. Notice over the example P, Q, V, R, S, S, T, T, U. Okay, simple. Only for the understanding purpose. Yeah, this is the figure. We can say that this is the example of strictly binary tree. The reason is what? So strictly binary tree are the tree in which each node contains zero or two child node. ओके हर एक नोड आपका या तो जीरो चाइल्ड नोड को कंटेन करेगा या टू चाइल्ड नोड को कंटेन करेगा. ओके सो दिस इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रिक्टली बाइनरी ट्री. रीजन इज व्हाट where each node contain a zero child node or two child node. This is called uh, your strictly binary tree. Okay, where this node is called your root node. ये आपका root node कहलाएगा. This node is called internal node, and this will called leaf node. Okay, the node which having zero child, वैसा node जिसके पास zero child हो, this will called your leaf node, like STTUR. This is the leaf node. Okay, and the node which having uh, टू चाइल्ड और जीरो चाइल्ड आर कॉल्ड इंटरनल नोड. वैसा नोड जिसके पास आपका टू चाइल्ड हो और मिनिमम वन चाइल्ड हो, so this will also called internal node. Clear? Now when I try to find out, the question is what, when I try to find out the leaf node in the strictly binary tree. अब अगर हम फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हैं कि इस स्ट्रिक्टली बाइनरी ट्री में हमारा लीफ नोड कितना है. ओके सो फॉर फाइंड आउट दिस, सिंपल, नोटिस ओवर दिस फॉर्मूला. नंबर ऑफ लीफ नोड अगर हम फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हैं, देन सिंपल हियर वी यूज n plus 1. n for what? Node divide by 2. It means we need to count the total node. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 plus 1 divide by 2, 10 divide by 2 equal to 5. Okay, so this means clear. Here the number of leaf node will what? 5. काउंट करते हैं. सो द नोड, ये जो नोड आप देख रहे हो which having a zero child are called a leaf node. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so in the strictly binary tree, if you try to find out the leaf node, then simple here I apply the formula n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so here 5, this is called your leaf node. Now when I talk about internal node, अब अगर internal node की बात आती है, okay, so internal node means what? The node which having at least one child or more than one child. It means वैसा नोड जिसके पास मिनिमम वन चाइल्ड हो और टू चाइल्ड हो आर कॉल्ड योर इंटरनल नोड. If so, internal node, we can also say that the internal node means what? Internal node equal to number of leaf node या number of total node. Okay, total node minus leaf node. Okay, so the number of total node is what? 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so total node is what? 9. So 9 minus our leaf node 5. It means the total number of internal node will what? 4. Clear? हमारा जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ इंटरनल नोड हुआ वो हमारा क्या हुआ? 4 हुआ. Okay, now the next formula, if you try to find out the total number of node, so simple. Here we can find out the total number of node. कैसे find करेंगे? So here simply here I note 2 multiplication leaf node. Okay, minus 1. अगर आप टोटल नंबर ऑफ नोड स्ट्रिक्टली बाइनरी ट्री में फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हो तो सिंपल हमने लिखा 2 मल्टीप्लीकेशन ln यानी कि लीफ नोड माइनस 1. सो लीफ नोड हमारा कितना है? 2 मल्टीप्लीकेशन, दिस इज द लीफ नोड 5. 5 minus 1, so 10 minus 1 equal to 9. फाइंड आउट करते हैं. सो नंबर ऑफ इंटरनल नोड वी हैव 4. हमने किया क्या? टोटल नंबर ऑफ नोड माइनस लीफ नोड इक्वल टू 4. Notice over this. Yeah, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so this is the internal node. एक स्ट्रिक्टली बाइनरी ट्री में हमारा इंटरनल नोड कितना है? 4 इंटरनल नोड है. एंड हियर नंबर ऑफ इंटरनल नोड प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 5. So this will called your leaf node. Okay, now notice over this, if you try to find out the total number of node. Okay, total number of node and you have only the knowledge about a leaf node. अगर आपके पास केवल लीफ नोड दिया हुआ है जैसे कि यू हैव 5 लीफ नोड 1 2 3 4 5. so the total number of node will what in the strictly binary tree? Strictly binary tree में total number of node हमारा क्या होगा? तो then simple here we will apply the formula 2 multiplication number of leaf node. Number of leaf node is what? 2 multiplication 5 minus 1. इट मीन्स 10 माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 9. हमारा टोटल नंबर ऑफ नोड कितना होना चाहिए? 9 होना चाहिए. नाउ वी काउंट दिस 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट स्ट्रिक्टली बाइनरी ट्री. स्ट्रिक्टली बाइनरी ट्री को अगर हम डिफाइन करते हैं so then simple we can say that strictly binary tree are the tree in which each node contain 0 or 2 child node. Okay, now the next complete binary tree. Complete binary tree. Okay, so now notice over this complete binary tree. Yeah, we can represent this A B C D E F G H I J K L M N and O. Okay, so this is called a complete binary tree. Define करते हैं. So we can say that a complete binary tree are a strictly binary tree whose all leaf are at the same depth. Whose all leaf are the same depth. You may notice over that this is the example of complete binary tree where each node having two child, each node having two subchild. Okay, now if you try to find out the number of node on any particular level, so here in this level the number of node equal to what? 2 to the power 0. Okay, the number of node will what? 2 to the power 0. मीन्स 1, यानी कि हमारा जो ये फर्स्ट लेवल है इसमें हमारा नोड की संख्या क्या है 1. नो द नेक्स्ट टाइम we can represent this 2 to the power 1. This means what? Here the number of node equal to what? 2. Now we can also write here 2 to the power 3 at the third level. So sorry, 2 to the power 2 at the third level. So here the number of node equal to 4, and at the last 2 to the power 3 where the number of node equal to 8. You may count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 like this. Okay, so this is the number of node at each level. Okay, now if you try to find out the maximum number of node in the complete binary tree. अब अगर आप मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड को फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हो किसी भी कंप्लीट बाइनरी ट्री में, तो सिंपल हमने फॉर्मूला लगाया मैक्स इक्वल टू 2 to the power h, ओके, हाइट प्लस 1 माइनस 1. ओके, मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड हमारा क्या होगा? सो नाउ काउंट दिस हाइट 1 2 3. सो इस कंप्लीट बाइनरी ट्री में इसका जो हाइट है वो कितना है हमारा 3 हाइट है. सो सिंपल वी कैन राइट दिस 2 to the power h, यानी कि 3 प्लस 1 माइनस 1. ओके, नाउ 2 to the power 4. So simple, 2 to the power 4 minus 1, and 2 to the power 4 equal to what? 16 minus 1 equal to 15. Okay, so in the complete binary tree, if you try to find out the maximum number of node, अगर आप maximum number of node को find out करना चाहते हो, so then simple here you may apply formula like this. Okay, this will helps you to find out the maximum number of node in the complete binary tree. Now you may count that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Okay, so the total number of maximum node in the complete binary tree is what? 15. Clear? Now for the minimum number of node in the complete binary tree, how can we find out? So this is a node A. Okay, so this is what? This is the single node. So we can write down like this 2 to the power h. Okay, इसकी हाइट क्या है 0 है, तो मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड हमारा कितना आ रहा है 1 आ रहा है. Clear? So in the complete binary tree, if you try to find out the minimum number of node, then simple here I can apply formula like this. Okay, now if you try to find out the height, if you try to find out the height of any complete binary tree, then here I use formula height equal to log n base 2. Okay, now simple height equal to log 15 base 2. You may write down like this log 10 15 base 10 divide by log 2 base 2. Okay, so after that you may notice that your answer will what 3 point something. Okay, 3 point something the value for this. Okay, so the height of your complete binary tree will what 1 2 3. सो यहाँ आपका जो हाइट है कंप्लीट बाइनरी ट्री का वो क्या है 3 हुआ. सो सिंपल बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फॉर्मूला, आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला वी कैन फाइंड आउट द हाइट ऑफ कंप्लीट बाइनरी ट्री. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट almost complete binary tree. Almost complete binary tree. Okay, almost complete binary tree की अगर बात की जाए, so now notice over that this is the representation A B C D E F G H I, J. Okay, we can say that this is almost complete binary tree. Okay, हमने कंप्लीट करना स्टार्ट किया लेफ्ट राइट लाइक दिस. सो ये ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट होने वाला है. ओके, नाउ इन दिस केस इफ यू ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड, if you try to find out the minimum number of node for tree of height is what? 2 to the power n. Okay, the minimum number of node for tree of height is जैसे 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2 like this. Okay, लेकिन कहाँ तक? So it's occur when all level up to h minus 1. कहाँ तक हम लोग फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं? लेवल h minus 1, इसकी हाइट -1 तक. दिस इज द हाइट 1 2 3. ओके, सो 3 minus 1 तक जहां तक हम देख रहे हैं कि सो हर एक नोड का कंप्लीट सब चाइल्ड नोड है. ओके, h minus 1 are full. Okay, so in this case we can find out the minimum number of node according to their height. Okay, simple. After using a 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, we can find out the total number of node according to its level. Okay, now if you try to find out the maximum number of node, अगर आप मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड को फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हो, मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड को ऑलमोस्ट बाइनरी ट्री में फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हो, देन सिंपल हियर अगेन आई यूज द सेम फॉर्मूला h plus 1 minus 1. ओके, जो कि हमारा कंप्लीट बाइनरी ट्री में होगा. तो मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट बाइनरी ट्री में मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड कितने हो जाएंगे? ये भी होगा, ये भी होगा, ये भी होगा. ओके, मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड हो सकता है ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट बाइनरी ट्री में. So simple, here I apply formula 2 to the power h plus 1 minus 1, same as before. Okay, now if you try to find out the minimum height, okay, so in this case अगर आप इसके मिनिमम हाइट को फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हो, then here I apply the formula minimum number of height equal to same as before log 2 n. Okay, कैसे? So now notice over this, how many node here? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so here the number of node is 10. So here you may write log 2 10. Okay, 10 base 2 divided by 2 base 2. Okay, so in this case you may find out the answer will what? 3 point something. So the height of this node become 3. Okay, so like this we can find out the number of node and height of almost complete binary tree. Minimum height of almost complete binary tree. Minimum height, sorry, 2 point something. Okay, so the minimum height of almost complete binary tree will what? 2. Okay, and now the next and last, BST, binary search tree. Okay, BST, this is a binary सर्च ट्री. ओके, सो बाइनरी सर्च ट्री का क्या रूल है? नोटिस ओवर दिस, दिस इज द नोड and here the minimum and here I assign the maximum value. Okay, minimum value of node will shift at the left side and the maximum number of maximum value will shift at the right side of this root node. Okay, so this is the rule for BST, binary search tree. Again, The minimum this will shift at the left and maximum this will shift at the right. Minimum, so maximum होना चाहिए हमारे root node से, so 500 this will shift at left and the maximum this will shift at right, like this. Again the minimum this will shift at left, maximum this will shift at right, 255. Okay, minimum again this will shift at left, minimum like 200 and maximum 260. This will shift at left. Again the minimum 400, 401 this will shift at left and the maximum 525 this will shift at right. Again the minimum 650 this will shift at left and the maximum 750 this will shift at right. Okay, so this is the idea to represent our binary search tree like this. Okay, now if you try to find out the node for each level, then simple again I need to use formula 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, like this. Okay, and the maximum height of this node will what? The total number of node with 2 child plus 1. Okay, so sorry, to find the height of, to find the maximum number of node for this tree, simple again I need a formula like max equal to 2 to the power h plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so like this, if you try to find out the height, then again you need to use formula log to n. Okay, what is bandit search tree? Bandit search tree है क्या? So in the simple term, we can say that a bandit search tree are those tree in which the value of the node is always greater than the value of the node is always greater than the value of the left child and less than the value of the right child. Okay, so this will call your binary search tree. लिख देती हूँ. Yeah, you may note down. So base tree is what? Are those tree in which the value of the node is always greater than the value of left node. This node is always greater than the value of your left node and always less than the value of your right child node. Okay, so thank you for watching this. If you realize the video is really helpful, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button to updated with my content. Thank you for watching this. You may take a screenshot.